Umi Insyirah binti Yus Effendi. I'm from LO1P1 Transport Process.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Jahid Kabibari and I am from DCF LO1P1.
Hello everyone, my name is Aidatul Fatihah binti Rahim. I'm from LO1P1. This video, assignment for transport process.
Hi, my name is Hafsa binti Muhammad Izzal. I am from LOP1 Transport Process.
Hi, so today we are in PGMP lab. We'll explain about a burger forming machine as known as patty forming. This machine mainly designed to shape and ground meat into uniform patties. Its main function is mechanical forming, not cooking, but heat transfer still matters during temperature control and product safety maintenance. So how does the machine work? First, we have to switch on the power supply. After that, we have to put the minced product into the loading hopper and close the cover back. Next, press the button on. The patties will be formed and placed into the exit valve. Next, we have to manually remove the patties on the tray. Press the off button to finish the operation. Last but not least, we have to clean the equipment and make sure the power supply must be off.
Now I will talk about the factors are affecting of heat transfer efficiency. The first factor is physical and thermal properties. For example, shrinkage. During cooking, proteins denature and the patty shrinks, which can decrease the contact area in contact heating or change the product dimensions in other methods, thus affecting heat transfer efficiency. For second example is thermal conductivity and specific heat. These properties change with temperature composition during the process. As an example, when ice melts or water evaporates, dynamically influencing heat transfer rates. For second factors is equipment operating conditions. For the example, temperature of the heating or cooling medium, higher temperature for cooking or lower temperature for freezing, increase the rate of heat transfer and reduce processing time. For last example, pressure for double-sided grills. Applying pressure during double-sided grilling increases the contact heat transfer coefficient between the patty surface and the heating plate, improving efficiency.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the burger forming unit. The burger forming unit is the machine where we put minced patties and it will be shaped into a uniform patties like we can see at supermarket. Like for example, is Burger Ramly. So the heat, even it's not involved in cooking, but heat transfer is really important to control their shape and make sure the safety and the hygiene of the patties are in the good condition. So now I'm going to talk about the convection. Convection is the transfer heat where air flow around the place, and the example we can take from this machine is when patties are already formed, they usually be sent to cold air where the air flow around the place in the cold temperature. So when the patties are be placed at cold temperature, it will hold the shape of the patties and make the temperature of the patties become faster to cook, and it's called the terms that we call is forced convection. The last mechanism I will explain is radiation. So radiation just play a small role in this process. So like we can see at this machine, the body is made with stainless steel. It will help to reflect heat from surrounding, which is it can prevent from others heat, for example light and others machines.
Next, we go to the chosen equipment. The first one is speed. This machine can produce thousands of patties within a minute. Instead of using a manpower, this machine can save our time and cost, and also increase the high demand of people and customers. Second one is uniformity. This machine can produce the same size, weight, and shape of patty, and this also can save our budget. The third one is hygiene and safety. We use minimal human contact. By using this machine, we can lower the possibility of microorganisms growing and lower the risk of contamination. And overall, this is safer than using the manual process. The fourth one is versatility. Machine can be adjusted to produce different shapes of product they want. Maybe they want, for example, hot dog, nuggets, or anything that can be processed, they can sell. And we can also change the cutters in this machine. So it depends on what we want to make that day. And it also allow maximum efficiency, consistency, hygiene, because we barely touch anything. We only use the machine to do the rest. Lastly, we can reduce the waste and cost control by using this machine. The amount of meat is used for each patty, eliminating guesswork and waste. So we barely do any error or anything that costs money.